Hey everyone, today I'm going to be talking about the Tropical Scented Body Wash. Tropical Scented is actually the brand name of this body wash, and I have a kind of a mixed emotions about this body wash. It smells really, really great, I will give it that. It smells very fruity and I really like that, but when I'm using it, I feel like the lather just go out pretty quickly, and so I have to use more of the product, which is always kind of a sucky thing for when it comes to products. You always want to, you like to use as little bit of a product as possible so that you don't waste any, or so that you just get as much of the product as you can, as much use out of the product as you can. But this, it's like more than halfway used up, and I've been using it for a couple of weeks. Yeah, it's been more than a week, but like less than 2 weeks. And that's usually not the case, so that's probably one of my biggest complaints about this. I mean, it does get me really clean, and my skin feels really clean after using it, but I just have to use a lot of the product because, especially if you're the type of person that shaves in the shower and shaves your legs, and you don't use shaving cream or anything like that, you just use soap. I usually have to add more soap to my loofah after each leg, and then again to actually wash my body. So that's maybe my one complaint. The back just has really instructions. It doesn't really say much about it as far as whether it's supposed to moisturize your skin or anything like that. It really doesn't have much information, which is probably another complaint that I have. There's really I feel like this is just meant to clean your body, and that is it. There's nothing else. There's really not much else to this body wash. It's not, it doesn't say whether it's for gentle skin or for acne prone skin or for dry skin or for oily skin or anything like that. It doesn't say anything, but it has directions on it. It says squeeze a small amount onto a wet cleansing puff or a washcloth, work into a rich creamy lather and massage all over your body, then rinse well. It does have a list of ingredients with water as the main ingredient, and then here at the bottom, imported by the USA in Canada. There it goes, made in China. So yeah, I mean, it's also pretty big. I think it's a pretty standard size bottle. It's 18 ounces, so this is not something that you really want to travel with. You definitely can't get through TSA at the airport with this, and even if you weren't flying or you had a carry-on bag, it's really bulky. So if I were gonna if this is the only body wash I had and I was going to take it with me, I would probably get a smaller container or something and just pour some of that in it, and then take the smaller container and leave this at home. Just make it a lot easier to travel with because it's pretty big. And also another thing is the lid doesn't seem to close. I don't know if you can see that. Do you see it pushing down? It doesn't seem to close at all. Can you hear it? It has a little bit of a snap, but there's still space here. It's still open. So it snaps back very quickly. When it closes, it sounds like it closes because it closes so hard, but it's not closed. So you definitely don't want to travel with this because it'll spill. If you do travel with it, maybe try taking this lid off. If you absolutely have to travel with it, maybe try taking this lid off and put saran wrap or something over the top, and then put the lid back on, and that should prevent the product from coming out. But I don't know, I just don't recommend traveling with this, both for the size and for the fact that maybe this is just a defected one or something. Maybe they are not all like this, but I don't know. It's weird. Can you see that? Can you see that it's when I push it, it comes right back up though? Also, I just tried to take the lid off and it doesn't seem like seems like it'd be pretty difficult to take off. So just another thing. But yeah, it comes out pretty easily. It has a decent standard hole. Said it does smell pretty good. I mean, if you're on a budget and just need soap and you don't like bar soap, this is definitely gonna get the job done. I will say for a fairly inexpensive body wash, it does make my skin feel pretty soft after my shower, after I use it. My skin's not rough. I don't know if you know when you use bar soap, after you rinse it off, your skin feels really, really rough. I kind of would have expected that with this one, just because there's absolutely zero information. There's no description of it on the bottle. That doesn't happen. It's a really decent body wash. It's not anything special. It doesn't have any like crazy amazing things that it's going to do for your skin, but it's going to get the job done. It's going to make you feel, it's going to clean you and make you feel clean, and your skin does stay pretty soft. It doesn't make it rough or anything like that. But yeah, I mean, overall, this is a good body wash to have like in your back pocket if you like run out of like your normal body wash. You're not going to the store, you don't feel like going to the store that night or that morning or whatever, you have this and it'll get the job done. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it.